Getting ready is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Let's get ready to do something new. Abby Cadabby here to help you get ready to try something new. When I need to get ready to do something new, I like to play a quick game of Abby Says. Come on, play with me. Okay, first, Abby says, do a little wiggle. You gotta make sure you get all the wiggles out. Abby says, do one more little wiggle. Next, Abby says, take a slow, deep breath. In through your nose and slowly out through your mouth. Good. Now Abby says, get ready to listen. This means having a calm body. Ooh, keep still, Wings. It always takes them a minute to slow down. Okay. A quiet voice, eyes watching a grown-up, and ears listening. Last, Abby says, get ready for something new by saying, I can do this. I'm ready. Are you ready? Oh, I'm ready too. Let's go.